We are in Jakarta, Indonesia, together with students of James Cook University. We are on a new Colombo Plan study tour organized together with TRISAKTI School of Tourism. New Colombo Plan is an initiative by the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade of Australian Federal Government, which focuses on providing opportunities for young Australians to experience Asia Pacific and learn more about neighboring countries of Australia. There are different opportunities in New Colombo Plan program that students can enjoy. They can join the short study tours like ours, which last for 2 weeks. They can do internships in the region or find other exchange opportunities. Our program is organized by the TRISAKTI School of Tourism, which one of the provider of both vocational and higher education in Jakarta. The school has more than 2,000 students, and they have put together a great program for us that focuses on learning about Indonesian culture, language, cuisine, and tourism attractions and management.
I really loved the culture and the language classes. They were super helpful and super informative when being in the country and just knowing the differences compared to Australia, and also the language helped us a lot. Seeing the locals light up their faces when we used a little bit of Indonesian, it was really nice.
My favourite part of the trip was the Cibuntu village. I really enjoyed immersing myself in the culture and the traditional villages, getting to know all the children there, playing soccer with them, and then doing the performances at night. We taught them how to do the nutbush. That was really fun. Everyone got really involved, and yeah, it was just a really good experience.
I didn't know a lot about Indonesia coming here, and I feel like I learnt a lot. I didn't realise how much culture and diversity there is in Indonesia, and the people here are so friendly. The food's great, especially if you like spicy food. There's a lot of that here, and you're going to have a lot of fun if you come to Indonesia, so I'd highly recommend it.
It's a lot of fun for 2 weeks. You get to learn the language, the culinary, the cuisine, what the traditions are like, how people used to live, how people still live either in the city or in the village, and just how everything else works is definitely an eye-opening experience to Australia.
We visited 3 different hotels, and I really liked looking at the different aspects of the domestic hotel visits compared with the international, and I really enjoyed working in all the different areas of the hotel operations, so the front desk areas, food and beverage, kitchen and housekeeping, and also one of the hotels we looked at the sales and marketing areas in all the back offices, and I really enjoyed just experiencing all the different areas.
TRISAKTI School of Tourism has been so accommodating to all of us here. Anything we've needed, they've been able to help and been more than happy to give us a hand. Coming into this trip, I was a little bit nervous because I haven't been overseas by myself, but it's been super amazing. I've learnt so many career skills and personal skills, and I've really learnt how to talk and negotiate with different people of cultural backgrounds or personality types.